stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued flash flood warnings for Jack County, Palo, Pinto County, Parker County, and for Stevens County until 4 p.m. Doppler radar indicates thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. Between 2 to 4 inches of rain has already fallen. Additional rainfall of 1 to 2 inches will produce flash flooding. Flash flooding is either ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Once again, a flash flood warning has been issued for portions of Jack County, Palo, Pinto County, Parker County west of Fort Worth, and for Stevens County until 4 p.m. Flash flooding ongoing or expected to begin shortly. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.